Litika.
Hey friends, do you know what's round and makes a sound like this? Tick tock, tick tock, tick. That's right, it's a clock.
Yeah!
Let's add up the numbers on it.
Woohoo!
Look at those beautiful flowers. Can you count them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But wait, what's this? Oops, it's the square with the number 4. Now, let's put the clock together. Number 4. Where else can we look? Is there a number on the tree trunk? Yes, it's the number 1 on the rhombus.
Woohoo!
Number 1. Is there another number? No, this is just a squirrel. And what's this on the tree? It's a green heart with the number 2.
Woohoo!
Number 2. Here's a house of shapes. Let's see if we can find the shapes we need inside. We found the octagon.
Woohoo!
The plus.
Woohoo!
The star.
Woohoo!
And the trapezoid.
Woohoo!
The octagon has the number 8. The plus the number 11. The star has the number 7. And the trapezoid has the number 9. Now, we're cutting some fruits. Some grapes. A banana. An apple. Yes, we found the semicircle with the number 6.
Woohoo!
Number 6. We're borrowing some shapes from the number table. We took the pentagon, triangle, circle, and hexagon. The pentagon has the number 5. The triangle has the number 3. The circle has the number 12. And the hexagon has the number 10. Now we have all the numbers of the clock. These are the hands of the clock. What do they do? The small blue hand shows the hour. And the large red hand shows the minutes. Let's learn the hours. Let's start here. It's 12 o'clock at night. Shh, everyone is sleeping. One o'clock. 2 o'clock. Everyone is still asleep. 3 o'clock. 4 o'clock. 5 o'clock. Did you hear a sound? At this time, the roosters and chickens wake up. 6 o'clock, the alarm is going off. It's time for Mom or Dad to wake up and get ready for work. 7 o'clock. Now it's time for you to wake up. Wake up, dear. Wake up, Mommy Sunshine. 8 o'clock. I can smell food. It's time to eat breakfast. Let's drink some soup, eat some eggs, and drink a glass of milk. Nine o'clock. Now let's eat some fruit. A banana, an apple, or some fruit yogurt. 10 o'clock. Shall we go outside for a bit?
Yay!
Let's have some fun. We can swing on the swing, jump on the trampoline, or slide down the slide. $11. Time to head inside. It's lunchtime. Do you like chicken? $12. Let's take a break and rest for a bit. We're tired from playing and our tummies are full. $1 in the afternoon. We're still sleeping. $2 in the afternoon. Now we're playing with toys on the table. $3 in the afternoon. Let's make a yummy strawberry and banana smoothie. $4 in the afternoon. We're going for a walk with the stroller or bike. $5 in the afternoon. Daddy's here, let's play with Daddy. $6 in the afternoon. We're having dinner now. Yum. $7 in the evening. Let's take a bath with the toys and play with foam. $8 in the evening. Mom is reading us a bedtime story. $9 in the evening. We're finally asleep. $10 at night. Shh, it's time to sleep. $11 at night. Now everyone is sleeping. Remember what the big red clock hand does? That's right, it tells us the minutes. Do you see these little numbers here? These tell us the minutes. Here's 0. Here are 5 minutes. 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, and 55. Let's learn to read them. We are moving the small clock hand, which tells us the hour, to the number 2. Here are 0 minutes, or O. Let's move the minute hand. Here are 5 minutes. Now the time is 2:05. The hands are one above the other. How many minutes are there? 5, 10. It's 2:10. What time is it here? 5, 10, 15. It's 2:15. How can we say it differently? If we divide the hour into 4 equal parts and take 1 part, we call it a quarter. So here we can also say that the hour is 2:15. Now, how many minutes is it? 5, 10, 15, 20? It's 2:20. Let's count the minutes. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. The time is 2:25. When we divide the hour into two parts, we say that they are halves. Here we have completed half of the minutes. It's 2:30. How else can we say it? Let's count the minutes. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So we can say it is 2:30 or 2:30, which means half of the minutes have passed. It's 2:35 now. It's 2:40 here. It's like it's stretching out its arms to hug us. Now it's almost 3 in the afternoon. Do you remember the quarters we learned about? Well, we need a quarter to make it 3. So we can either say it's 2:45 or 2:45. It's now 2:50. And the last, 2:55. Let's see where else the clock has its arms open. Look, it's at 8:10. 9:15. 10:20. 2:45. And many more. Isn't the clock lovely? Let's try to hide the hour hand again. 12 o'clock. 1:05. 2:10. 3:15. And so on. Now let's try to read some more. The hour is 1. Let's count the minutes. 5, 10, 15, 20, 1:20. And the minutes are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Here, the hour hand is at number 4, so it's 4:30. Or we could say it's 4:30. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. It's 5:40. Congratulations. You've now learned to read and tell the time yourself.